How are you, Damon? Welcome to my video submission for assignment 3 um, projects for the extension on the North Earl Street portal. Just to give a quick project overview, the objective of the project is to extend the portal in, well, maybe the capabilities of the portal in the North Earl Street, Dublin, to enable live BLE headset communication between Dublin and Philadelphia. The core features of the project are to enable BLE pairing for headsets, AI-based user recognition via selfies, and real-time communication using a live video stream and touch interface. So this will allow users to connect to the portal from Dublin, between Dublin and Philadelphia, using their phone and using Bluetooth headsets. And AI user-based recognition will be used, so users will upload selfies, photos of themselves, so the portal will recognise who they are. Data hosting will be managed by the parent company servers in Boston, and the launch timeline is late 2025. To discuss the Internet of Things IoT integration on the portal, BLE technology will be used in short-range, low-energy wireless communication, and there will be secure device pairing mechanism. AI features are facial recognition for user identification and data processing for seamless communication. IoT cloud dependence will rely on cloud servers from the parent company in Boston for data storage and synchronization between Dublin and Philadelphia. Just some important EU legislation for that will relating to the project. GDPR data collection transparency is very important. For example, selfies and personal details. This will mean that explicit user consent will be very important, and user data rights as well for access, correction of information and deletion of information. The Network and Information Security Directive 2 will be important. This will mandate cyber security measures for all IoT devices and will ensure secure communication protocols and data transmission. The Radio Equipment Directive will ensure compliance for BLE-enabled devices regarding functionality and security. The proposed AI Act will ensure classification of AI facial recognition as a high-risk system and will ensure mandatory conformity assessments for AI components. Just to give an outline of some cross-border data transfer challenges between Ireland and the States, the parent company in Boston will have data sovereignty and jurisdictional issues and potential conflicts with Schrems to ruling on transatlantic data transfers. The solution to these problems are the use of standard contractual clauses for users and onboarding a data protection officer to ensure compliance. We will discuss further about other ideas for collaboration later on in the presentation. So on privacy and ethical considerations, facial recognition ethics, balancing convenience with user privacy, and avoiding misuse or unauthorized access to personal data. And for, I suppose, issues to bring up for the user to be aware of will be clear communication about data usage and storage, how we're using the data and how we store it, and provision for opt-out mechanisms so consumers can opt out of the system whenever they want. So risk mitigation strategies. In the interest of data breach prevention, we would like to implement end-to-end encryption for BLE and server communications and regular security audits and updates. Compliance documentation, we will maintain records of data handling practices and conduct impact assessments under GDPR and the AI Act, and we will prepare an incident response plan for potential security breaches or system downtimes. And to give a conclusion, a bit of an action plan looking towards the future, the immediate steps we will take is to initiate compliance checks for GDPR, RED and AI Act. We will engage legal counsel for cross-border data transfer strategy. Some collaboration we might want to do is to work with technical teams to ensure device and network security and coordinate with external vendors to meet RED and NIS directive standards. Some suggestions for the future are to review progress on compliance measures, which may require the need for the use of sort of weekly or monthly meetings around the system. And we would like to, in future, address any open questions from the public related to system testing and user feedback. And that's everything for me. Thanks very much, Graham or Damon, for listening. I hope to hear back soon. Thank you.